For PRTC and OmniRide, our biggest challenge is the mid-county area doesn't have a lot of density. So we don't have dedicated transit services in that corridor and instead really rely on that road network to get commuters, residents to the park and ride lots. Some of our top areas, for example, are Horner Road. So many of those residents in that community travel to Horner Road to pick up our services, use slugging or many other means of transportation such as vanpool or carpool from there. In terms of safety and transit utilization congestion, there's some big challenges. First and foremost, it's a beautiful area and therefore it's low density. All that low density makes it really difficult to effectively manage transportation, mass transit issues, and with those being the roads that have very little infrastructure in terms of sidewalks, which of course any pedestrian would want. Simultaneously, there are not a lot of crosswalks or very many, if any, intersections with traffic signals. So it makes it very difficult for us in order to manage turns, have that infrastructure, and bring pedestrians to the forefront. One of the best solutions that we're looking at is two things, one of which is looking at the Horner Road expansion of the parking lot. Is there a chance to improve or increase capacity at the park and ride lot, which is a challenge, but all that will do is draw more commuters through that corridor and possibly increase congestion. One of the alternatives would be to look at, is there some way to take advantage of park and ride lots closer to the interior of the county that are more conducive to travel that we could serve more effectively? If you think about it, one large commuter bus traveling through an intersection moves 60 cars at once. That's the equivalent of what happens when those vehicles move through. Simultaneously, that's the equivalent of 15 cars, 4 lanes wide on 995. So that one transit bus removes all of those cars, and because we have the occupation of the hot lanes, we're able to move residents in and out of DC much quicker. Those are some of the key issues we face along the Yates Ford and Davis Ford corridor.